sonné. Elle voudrait qu'on le fasse, mais je suis sonné. Ah, complètement sonné. Elle pense au mariage, mais je suis...
So like I said, I received 3 products from Emily Elton. You can go and click on her page and you'll find a way to buy younique products because she's a younique distributor. You can go and get it. Just tell her that I sent you. You might get a discount or something. You never know. So yeah. So I am trying out those products. She sent me a younique brow precision, which I love because she chose the perfect color even for my lip gloss and my lipstick. I think any adult skin tone can wear it, to be honest, because it's just yeah, anyone can wear anything nowadays, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna straight away start with the precision brow, which has like this brush here on the left, and it has this the purple crayon on the right. So I am going to use it and you're going to see how it's going to look like. But first thing first, I want to show you guys the concealer that I'm going to use following this product. So I have the Define Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. This is the shade C12.5, and also I have my Juvia's brush, flat brush. I love this flat brush because they literally get into the thing. So yeah, I am going to start doing it. You can see, you know, after putting the glue stick, now I'm going to try to fill in stroke by stroke. Okay, so just gonna
1, 2, 3, come on.
okay. Now we're gonna move on with the concealer. I'm gonna try to conceal my eyebrows. Like I said, I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define, and it's a full coverage conceal and contour. The shade is 12.5, and I'm going to also use my normal foundation, which is the L'Oreal. I think this one just maybe 2, right? Okay, I'm gonna try to use the Conceal and Define foundation from Makeup Revolution as well. This is the shade number 4, and yes, let me just pick up my pencil, and I'm gonna get the Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution and just dab like this. Take from the brush.
One, two, three, come on! One, two, three, come on!
liner again, and then use the brush to just fade the beginning here so they will look more realistic, right? Because we don't want no boxy eyebrows looking. So I don't like it when it looks boxy and too calculated. So I like it when it looks very natural. Tiny bit.
So yeah, these are my brows done, looking flawless. I know they look nice, I know they look bomb. So natural, simple, no box in the front. So I love it, and if you love it too, please make sure you share this video, and please look at Emily Helton website to get you some precision brow liner as well. And I believe they have more colors for any skin tone as well. So this one is called the Mood Struck Precision Brow Liner. This one, my shade is dark, so I love it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna speak to you later. Bye.